like Jenna's. I didn't realize because we have Windows 7. Tommy's opening up his food, his first play food ever. Tommy, Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas, little baby, 17 months old. You'll be 18 months old next week, baby. Here, take a look, Tom. Oop. Thomas, look. Look at the front. Look. Give it back.
You did it.
Can I have the
I gotta
camera?
get rid of my picture.
Okay. Look at all that stuff in there. There's pizza, hot dogs, an egg. Oh, wow. You can't eat that, but you can eat it in your pretend world.